Welcome to Neural Horizon, where artificial intelligence meets the future. Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your breakfast is made by a robot. Your package is delivered by a robot. Your grandparents are cared for by a robot. And at work, your newest coworker isn't human. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming reality. Companies around the world are investing billions into humanoid robots designed to work alongside humans. The question isn't whether they're coming, it's are we ready? Firstly, what are humanoid robots? Unlike factory robots, humanoid robots are built to work in spaces designed for people. With AI, cameras, sensors, and human-like movement, they can recognize objects, respond to commands, and perform everyday tasks. They're being developed for homes, hospitals, warehouses, offices, and even disaster zones. Secondly, why now? Recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence have made robots smarter than ever. They can understand speech, recognize objects, and make simple decisions. Combined with better batteries, sensors, and hardware, humanoid robots are moving from research labs into the real world. Thirdly, the race to build them. Technology companies worldwide are racing to develop practical humanoid robots. Some can walk, climb stairs, carry heavy objects, and assist in warehouses or factories. The goal isn't just automation, it's helping people by handling repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding work. Fourthly, how they could change our lives. Imagine coming home to a clean house, folded laundry, and dinner already prepared. In hospitals, robots could support healthcare workers. In dangerous environments, they could take on jobs that put human lives at risk. For many, they'll be assistants rather than replacements. What are the challenges? But this technology also raises important questions. Will robots replace jobs? How do we keep them safe? Who is responsible if they make mistakes? These are challenges society will have to solve as robots become more common. The question is, are we ready? The internet changed communication. Smartphones changed daily life. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work. Humanoid robots could be the next major revolution. Whether they become trusted helpers or remain limited to specialized industries depends on how we choose to develop and use them. The future is closer than we think. Would you trust a humanoid robot to care for your home, help your family, or work beside you? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Neural Horizon for more content on AI, robotics, and future technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.